Can't be flashing the people. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and yes, it's another vlog. I really like vlogging, but when I post them I don't really get that many views as my hair videos, which I can't always be doing hair videos. Like, I guess I can, but it's not. I just need to figure out like a list of videos like back to back that I can just push out with my hair. I feel like when I had natural hair, like natural hair back then, and I had a lot of hair to deal with, I had more ideas, but that's besides the point. Today I just feel like I need to get out. Like mentally I'm just not there, and I know that because I've been in a better place before, so I know that I am not there mentally. So I just want to get out. I'm gonna go right now. I'm thinking of going to brunch. I'm winging it today. I have like a list of things that I want to get done this weekend, and I'm just winging it to be. Usually for like breakfast brunch, my go-to is First Watch, but I've been having a lot of First Watch as of late, so I think I'll try something else. But I'm gonna go here, and hopefully it's good and I like it. But yeah, and also I have in some boho braids, if you can see. I think I showed it earlier in the video, but I think I have a video of that posted up right now, like the tutorial and all the deets on it. So yeah. Ooh, didn't zip up my zipper. Can't be flashing the people. Every time I put air in the tire when the light comes on, it's good. It's good until like the next day. I put air in it yesterday and the light came off, and now it's back on. And mind you, the air really does come out of the tire, and the tire is new, so that shouldn't be the case. Yeah, so I don't know what's up with that, and I'm gonna carry it back. I'm gonna bring it back to the mechanics if I get the chance today, or maybe I'll wait until tomorrow, depending on how the air is in the tire right now. But like, that's making no sense. So now it's 12:29 and I am going to I don't know, depends on the distance. I might go, no, I definitely need to go to Sally Beauty first. Tell me why I saw that and thought it said the big back is back. Oh. Okay, so already I'm getting off track. Okay, so they actually have it here and they have buy one get one 50% off, which is good. I also wanted to try the curl magic, but I don't think my hair is as long for this right now. Maybe when it's grown out some more. I wanted to try this, well, this one instead, but my hair is too short for experimenting right now. I'm just gonna get these. Don't need to get anything else right now, to be honest.
Were you all ready?
Yes, a pack of these. Boil in a bag quinoa, vitamin D3 because I needed some more. Toothpaste, Quaker oats, maple and brown sugar things. You know, I got like 2 of these for like a quick sandwich. 2 of these was on sale. I got the pink lady apple and the passion fruit and tangerine. This is really nice. I got chopped broccoli and some salmon, pineapple. Wanted to try this. It has zero sugar. Sweet pepper, baby bell mushrooms, some cherry tomato. 3 of these. I also saw this. It has, it's quinoa with kale, with garlic, olive oil, and sea salt. And I got 2 avocados, and that's it.